Good morning, everybody!
Someone woke up in a good mood.
Welcome back to our videos.
Vlogtober.
Welcome back to Vlogtober. Should we say it like that?
Okay, welcome back to day 3.
Day 3. So today we are going to make a spooky breakfast.
Yeah, something nice, simple, and nutritious for our baby girl, and maybe for mama, you know, maybe for the whole family.
Yeah.
We'll see.
We're going to make Gabriel is. He's gonna make some oatmeal, you know, and then just like decorate it, like, you know.
Simple. We're gonna be using some blueberries, and we're just gonna make like a little, like a, what is it, like a scary face?
Yeah. You know.
Something real easy and, like I said,
Yeah.
simple, something that you can do at home. And so if you are watching this because you want to learn how to make oatmeal on the stovetop, this isn't a cooking channel. Sorry. So, stay tuned.
Like that?
Really? Like that? Okay, you guys, so first things first, of course, we gotta wash our hands.
Cooking, I'm gonna get her little like little fruit bowl, I'm gonna say, ready. So let's get started.
Camila, did you get hungry too? Watching us make little foods? Yeah? What you got? Some cookies? Cómetelos, baby. Say, ah. Mmm. Good morning, baby girl.
Good morning.
Come on, Lina just woke up. Can you say good morning to everybody?
Good morning, everybody.
Where's my spooky food? What you mean you got this blueberry infused applesauce?
Yummy.
Y galletas.
She's like, what? So now I'm gonna show you guys how her little breakfast, spooky breakfast turned out. Smile, look at me, baby. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Wait, I want to know, Lina, on your breakfast, is it thumbs up or thumbs down?
All right. Whoa, 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 whoa. And don't think that we do this every morning. Like, you know, this month is just all about my baby girl. Oh, YouTube.
It's about YouTube.
Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, share, and
I
subscribe.
hope you enjoyed this video.
All right, Lina, close it.
Love you guys and silly us.
Okay, so I forgot that I was going to make a snack later on. So it is afternoon already, and I'm about to make a little spooky snack for Catalina.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, so I already got 2 done. So basically I'm gonna cut them up like this. Hold on, let it focus. Like that. So like a little slice in the middle, like a little mouth. So I got 2 done. So you got your piece, just the slice.
There, Mimi.
Don't cut all the way through.
Mimi's is not crying.
Okay, try to do it as gentle as possible so you won't like go all the way. Then there you go. I got my other mouth. There we go. I'm gonna do this as quick as I can because the battery is dying now. I forgot to charge it. Okay, so I got my little mouths. That's what they're supposed to look. Okay, so I got peanut butter. I suggest you to use like not the ones that have peanuts in it. Just like to use a smooth one, but since I only have that one, maybe pour some on the lid. Let me get some peanut butter in one. Let's use this one. So put some peanut butter in there. Okay. And then what you gotta do is just stick these like that. There we go. So just stick as many as you can.
I want a little robot fin.
So they turn out like that. This is how they turn out. Lina is currently munching on one. They're like, it's like a mouth, like a monster's mouth or whatever. I don't know. I saw this on, I think, Tasty. But is it tasty, baby?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe now. Don't forget.
We love you guys and silly